Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my game Devlog. In this episode, I'll be continuing working on our player controller. So I did a little bit of art in my free time yesterday, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I've been up to. So I introduced our customers. Actually drew some customers, like this is a soldier, and this would be our slave customer, the slave woman, slave man, and common folk woman, common folk man. So these were the 5 customers that I worked on, and in my free time I also worked on this cup dispenser or cone dispenser. I worked on this trash can. So let's just integrate all of this in our game and see how it goes. So okay, so I already have saved everything over here, so let me just go over this and do. Okay, let me just check if this would be a customer, and where is maybe the soldier. He is very small. We need this to be a bit bigger, so maybe change this to 64, I guess. No, maybe 32, so maybe 16. Yeah, so this is, I guess, the right amount, but we need this to be behind. Oh, sorry. Won't change this to 1. What? 0? Let me change this to 1. Change this to 2. No. Oh, yeah. So this, I think I should just add. So what is this? It has all the layers. Okay. So let me just see if we have. No, it is not saved like this. Maybe sprite sheet. If I hit apply, what happens? Nothing. Open sprite editor. Okay, it does not actually include hidden layers. Individual layers. Yes, this is what I wanted. But we actually need 2 of these. Let me just do something like this. Move it up a little bit. Yeah, like this. And okay, let me just save this real quick in like this and as a PNG file. So let's save this. Yes, I know this. File format PNG. You cannot continue. Yeah, we'll do this. Okay. And what I can do is I can just do a counter. So this counter would have this table sprite, right? It should be something like 2, and I can just put it like this. So now you can see because our NPC is, but why is it feels okay? So yeah, so I need to just, because this counter is a bit down. Yeah, now this would be perfect. Okay, so where is our customer? This is, so now it feels like the customer is coming behind our counter, and when it goes away, let me just hide this UI so it would be much better to see. Yeah, so now we have this customer, and so currently I haven't implemented any animations right now. Okay, uh, so I will implement animations in the future, but the animating every character, every single thing in the scene will take me a very long time, maybe months. So just making quick sprites of these characters are the way to go about it right now. So yeah, so currently the customer, let's say it spawns or right over here, it will see if, like this, it will peek for if a queue is available. If the queue is, let me just I'm not sure if you guys could see this, so let me just do like this. Yeah, now you guys would able to see. Okay, so let me just turn off gizmos. Yeah, so the customer will peek and see if there is any slot available. If let's say that we have 3 customers, right? Let me just bring one here, one here, one here. So actually let me just change these customers to, we have like this. What is going on? This is 16 and others are 32. Let me apply this, and this is why are you on top of the table? Where is our table? So yeah, now this will be great. Okay, so our customer 1 is this, customer 2 is, would be maybe a common folk woman, and our third customer would be common folk man. So like this. So let me just maximize this real quick and show you guys. Okay, what will happen? Yeah, I got it like this. Okay, so now if this customer spawns in, right, it will come like this. It will peek into our main camera and wait for the queue to finish up. Like it will check if every slot is available on the is occupied on the counter. It will wait. This customer will wait, and if for some so this, let's say customers has order is fulfilled and has gotten his order or her order, and she decides to leave. So let's say she leaves, then only then this customer would come, and so this all will be all like the way I'm showing that it would be a tween, kind of a tween. So this customer would just slide right in between these two customers, and this will tell us our order. So yeah, so I guess we can do this in this video. I just went and changed a lot of things with the art. So just to give you guys a little bit of um, what do I call it? Just to make it more interesting. I know this might not make any sense as of yet, but this game is still in early stages of development. So the art style, maybe the art style, the art itself would change when we finish this product. So the original idea is to make it in 3D. So, but making 3D models take a lot of time. So it is much better to just get an idea of how our games work, how the world feels, and then move on to 3D part of it. So yeah, so let's just implement. Um, so I thought I should maybe change the player. Our player currently looks so goofy. So let's just click here. It's 16, all right, but I don't want to change any. Okay, let's just maybe quickly use the same, like sorry, my something is okay. So let's just pick any character. Let's say we can pick common folk and just change this to our player character. So yeah, so I guess we can just use this. So I need to rename these. It's the head. This is torso, or can I use slash? Okay. Um, I guess the variables, and this would be the hands and feet. Okay. As you can see, this is how our player looks. Okay, so maybe we can make our pet change the color tone of our skin. Maybe we are because we are from the future, we can wear a cap, right? So maybe I can just go over here and do something like this. Could I do something like this, or just do it? Something like this. I guess this would work. But I guess I need to change the color a bit to maybe this, just to differentiate. Yeah, it feels correct. Okay, so let's change the maybe to a bit lighter. Maybe change this to pink, and I guess the head is ready. Now the torso or variable would be a shirt, maybe a blue shirt. And he would be wearing a short, so maybe beige ones are good. maybe do something like this. We don't actually need jewelry in our hand because we are from the future. Maybe we can just give a hint of a watch, maybe in the right arm or left arm, something like this. And I guess we're good to go. This would be our player character. Maybe give him proper shoes, maybe some kind of a sneaker. Change this to, okay, I guess. And like this, and maybe like this, and just do this. So yeah, so this was torso, so I guess we need to change this here. And maybe raise, give him smaller hands. Yeah, it looks better, I guess. Maybe some socks. Maybe like this. Change this also, but doesn't matter. Yeah. So this is, I guess, is maybe something in the maybe in a small ice cream on the shirt. Some kind of a logo. Would be a bowl, and this would be it looks more like a Pokeball. Anyways, maybe change it to this. But this is one scoop. This is one scoop, and where is vanilla? Do we have a vanilla ice cream? Something like this. No, this is better. We don't have any more pixels to work with to give it a more detail, but I think this is fine. This is much better. What else? Maybe a spoon, but there is nothing left for the spoon. Okay, the player character is ready. Let's just change it real quick. We have a player character. Player, not soldier manager. Be our player. Yeah, looking pretty nice. Okay, now we need to actually change this to this. Yeah. Let me just play this real quick. What happens if I play? Oh, all of them has a player controller set to them. So let me just not the sprite renderer. Remove. I guess there would be one. No. Okay. What? Oh. C Daisy. Something like this. Let's play again. Perfect, perfect. But again, I guess I need to do something like maybe um, split this counter a little bit, slice it, and change the order so that when our player comes like this, so half of his body. Well, I need to figure something out because I am seeing if I am side by side, then the order should be the player should be in front of the counter. So maybe I can change the order when I hit some collider over here. So it would just bring it to top, but if it exits, it should bring it right back. So can we do this like real quick? Let me just go back to a sprite. So this should be done in my free time. It's so yeah, so I'm not sure. Let me maybe make this a group. The group would be counter bottom part, and let's just maybe do something like this, and yeah, maybe I can just do this. Extend this. Why aren't you doing okay? Like this, and then I can just go ahead and do my maybe I should change the color of the table, right? Just for this. What? Okay, so this is selected, that's why. Maybe change this to something like a blue, and table changes to blue. And then if I go back over here, I remove this, I can, I guess, match everything. Oh, B. Please. So this will take me some. Oh. What? I forgot that I just learned a bit of a sprite, and I can just do this. Yeah, I'll just do this, and same with it over here. I can just do. Oh, this would be our. We can just do something like what we change this to this one. Well, I just thought about this. Why didn't I just use a wand and just go back and do this? Anyways, you just learn this the hard way, I guess. I can say that. Okay. So table can go back to this, and I guess everything is good to go. Let me just check this real quick. Okay, so the important part is this. Let me save this. 500 pages of support. Okay, I know this, but oh, what's this PNG? No. Okay. How do I deselect? Escape. Okay. Why is this like this? Okay. Anyways. I hope this does not break our game. Okay, so we are 30 minutes in. We have 30 more minutes left. Where is our table? table, and there should be a bottom part. Yeah, so this is the bottom part. So and this order should set to this. And what about our player? Should be set to maybe 3. And if we do something like it is getting hidden, right? But we need to change our collisions a little bit because this doesn't feel natural. This on the top. Okay, maybe I need to change this a little bit. Move this a little bit down and move this a little bit down to right here. So let me just confirm this. Why are you here? We do not want you here. Is triggered? No, nothing. Why? Let me just do this. I'm not sure why was this here, so that is why I'm not just. Okay, anyways, let's just test this again, and it now feels very nice. It feels quite natural. Oh, why is this so wavy? Anyways, why are you guys on top of the table again? 3. It's 3. And there are 2. So what's the issue? Oh, the missing sprite. Okay, where is this table? Here you go. Now this is perfect, but our player got okay. So now we need to change this a little bit down like this. Right about here. Okay. Okay. I guess this is great progress. Okay, so now we actually can see our machines behind our counter. We need to change the sorting order. Where is our machine? This need to change it to 3. just test this one more time. This was the issue. I knew that this would happen. If I change this to 3, it goes back. There should be 5 and these should be 4. Okay, good. Now I can start implementing, but we do not actually have let me just hide this and let's add a trash can over here. It should not be, maybe inside of our counter. 2D sprite, it is square trash. And okay, give me just 1 second, I'll be back in a moment. And we are back. So yeah, so where was I? Trash can. Trash can. And we have our maybe I can integrate this like over here, maybe here. This seems odd, like this, maybe an inbuilt trash system. Maybe this would be a better option. So yeah, let me just go back to our machines and see what. This was an interaction collider, this big machine. Let's just add the same thing over here. Copy and paste. Just something like use this to scan and okay. Do we have reference to our where do we trash everything? Maybe in our order system? I'm not sure. I would have to look into it. I just got to know that when I open Rider, OBS gets a huge performance hit. So, well, anyways, let's just keep on working. We have a trash can button. We have empty outer. Let's trash all of it. Yeah. So we have every single thing. So we just need to. Where is our player controller? Player controller. Okay. they have a trash can. But it's not a machine, right? So if I hit this will be called, and never I exit a machine. Yeah, so maybe if it should be if current machine is not equal to null, then this would run, and if what is it? Order system dot get we we have a current order in our hand, I guess. Yep, we have current order. Yep. So if current order, yeah, then we need to do something like order manage order system dot crash order. I have two usages. Push button. Let's make it public. We have this crash order. What is wrong with you, Rider? Okay. Do you no, please, where is this? Let me go here. I guess this would be working, but oh no, this would not be working as I have not. It would work, but okay. No. Let me just check this if okay, you are down there. Something like this. Maybe increase your size, I guess. Okay. So now, if I just go near our trash can, it should show me an action button, right? So what was the action button? Was X? Yep. Let me just see this. There is our there has a cup. Okay. And if I move over here, it would Trash. We have a vanilla cone cup and we can trash it. Yeah. Okay, so our trash is working. And what else? So this does not feel right. This should be like this. Right, sideways. Can you fix this real quick? Here is our trash can. Yes. And let's just copy this and move it to our restaurant mode. Let's do something like this and just paste it over here. Paste over here. Just like this. This does not feel. Oh, maybe I need to just move a little bit here. Yes. Maybe shift this. Like this. And this is correct. Something like does it feel so wrong? Let's just keep it this way. Copy, paste, write this, make a new one. Okay. What happened? What? And I just need to save view like this. Go back to our counter dash move it here and something like this. It does not mean right. I guess now is oh my so I just need to stop looking for perfection in my art and other stuff, because it is taking me a lot of time, and it has been 51 minutes and we have not done any, according to me, not that much of a progress. So let's just go back over here and see, maybe just a little more pixels over here, but again it is fine. Okay, let me just maybe create some pop-ups. Okay, how about this? I will create more sprites for our game in Sprite and then just end this video over here. We won't be working on any logic as of now, but not today at least. And then if I have any spare time left, I would try and do all the relevant art for our customer system. So the customer thinking and the order making pop-up and whatever that is connected with our restaurant mode, I will do it in my free time. And then when I make another video tomorrow, then I will be just connecting all the logic that we have built to our 2D sprites. So that is, I guess that is my goal for tomorrow. But today let's just maybe do some pop-ups. Yes, maybe we need something like this. Maybe a bubble. You are missing 1 pixel. Okay. I guess this is fine. Maybe do and we would have something like this as our thinking pop-up, but I think these are too big. Maybe something like this. Let me just select these. Not move them around. In selection? No, I guess not. Maybe I can just do this another layer. To see where they fit. I guess this is correct. And I can just, when I animate stuff, I would just bounce them like this. or maybe I don't know. I don't know as of yet what I would do for to animate these. Maybe do something like a rhythmic jump, like 1, 2, 3, and then it will go back. Something like this, like something like this. But anyways, let's just not think about this too much because this will ugly. This is perfect. So this would be our pop-up, and let's just save this. Customer pop up. What else? Yeah, so we can just do something like happy and what? Oh, it's already. Let me just hide this. Make something like and add something like I'm not sure. Like this, the order we served, the customer was satisfied and he was very happy, and he just showed us a little bit of an emotion through this pop-up. And then we can just do something like sad, or maybe like meh. You gave me an order after I waited for maybe I just wanted to leave your restaurant and just uh, maybe on late you served me this order very late. Like, so maybe like this. Okay, let's just do something like late and let's do this and bye. Or maybe looks good, right? Let me just change this. Maybe to give it a some kind of an orangey vibe. Doing this a bit lighter. Just to make it a bit different from I guess this will work. Just to make it a bit different from happy. Just a small bit of a color change. Let me just go back over here and do something like this. Looks not great, but it looks good. And we can do furious, as I like to call it. Maybe red. You are very late, and I am not too happy with something like. But I cannot actually. Where can I look? Angry emoji. Yeah, so I can't add any. We don't have that real estate to add eyebrows. So maybe the color indicator would tell. Maybe it's like But down as we are very angry. Like this. Frowning, but I'm not sure. I don't even have the real estate to just do frowning. Should not be that. Maybe something like this. Yes, this works. It looks like a zombie to me, or maybe a skull, but by looking over here. Maybe it can work. I don't know. Let's just. It does not look angry, right? Maybe we can ask Gemini. Hey, Gemini. Create. Uh, um, an angry emoji in with maybe 16 by 16. By 16 is, I guess, too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. It should have been 8 by 8. So make it round and you have only 8 bit. Gemini would understand. Yeah, these eyebrows are very important. This is not 8 by 8, man. How can you say that? And in an 8x8 pixel style. Okay, so this emoji is very bad. How about here? This is 8 by 8, I guess. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, this is not 8 by 8. This can work, but again, I don't have. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the. I cannot add. Yeah, so I guess this is it. And okay, so let me just do this. And have this. What was this pop-up? Customer pop-up. We need individual layers. Black. What is layer 2? This is, oh yeah, so 3 dots. Okay. I guess we have so what else do we need in our restaurant system? Let me just do this. Oh yeah, it's an indicator. So let's just do something like for the machine, right? Can we just do this? Save this as machine indicators. This would be, I guess I don't actually need to, I just need pure white. Just need something like this. And I would just, let me just to explain this real quick. This is machine, this is our indicator. Chocolate machine. So what I would do is, not an image, I don't need a canvas, we don't have a canvas, right? Circle. Here is our indicator 16. I'm not sure if it would be huge. This is huge. And I guess I can just do this 32. And again, let's just do this. And we can just change these values to whatever we like. If we still have time, this would be green. If we don't, if the order is running late, it would be orange. And if we have very little time and the customer is actually furious, it would be this. Yeah, so one more remains, right? So this emoji, one more remains. I'll show you how. So we have a happy one, right? Late one. So like if so it's still okay, but a furious one, like why did you give me my order this late? And then order missed, so he might be saying some bad stuff to us. So let's just failed order. This would again be red, but this, and it would be something like, what was that? Angry. I forgot how do we call this. I'm not sure. Let me look it up. something that is. So the word that comes to my mind is profanity, but say bad stuff. Let's say this. Yeah, something like this, but with a like the pissed off, angry, pissed off emoji. Here is this sign. This sign like something like yeah, so this was it, but this is a very huge sign. It's almost as big as this emoji. I'm not sure if I need to maybe a blue one. Something like blue. Move this a little bit to here, I guess. Maybe move it a bit up. This and this. Yeah. Maybe saying bad stuff. But he is pissed off. Okay. So we have this indicator now, and what about this? We have this ready, and now we need to complete every single of these items. Like where is this? Game data. This is machine items. So like flavors. So we need to add every single flavor, every single base. I had created a small cone like this one, and I was thinking what if our customer wants a 2-scoop cone? So how would I go about adding another scoop over this one? So maybe divide these into layers and just move it up a little bit every scoop. Anyways, let's just end this video right here. So as you can see, the art process takes a very long time, and it's not that what we can do in 1 or maybe 2 hours. It's a process. So I think that this video and the last one we are kind of in a standstill situation, but I guess I can just implement draw everything for the next video and just implement this in the next one. Like the whole logic, we just need to connect everything. We have our logic ready. We just need to connect everything. Just switch to UI based approach to 2D sprite based approach. Yeah. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you are enjoying the series, and I hope that I'll see you guys in the next one.